In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord screen share lagging. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and there's a few methods that we could go ahead and do. So the first one is just going ahead and closing Discord, but closing it properly. So go over to search, where it says Task Manager, then go to Details, find D for Discord, and then go ahead and press the delete button and then end the process. That's going to completely close it in the background because if there were any bugs or issues, it's just going to reset Discord for you. Then go ahead and try and open it up again. And then from here, what I want to go ahead and do is once it's open, go ahead and click on user settings right there. Then scroll all the way to voice and video and scroll down to the screen share area. And what I want to go ahead and do is if I see like advanced stream settings, I can try and turn this off. And also where it says use our advanced technology to capture your screen, go ahead and turn this off as well. See if that works, because some of these are experimental and you don't just want Discord like experimenting, when you're using features, you just want them to work. So try and turn this off and that should definitely help. Now, the next thing that you could go ahead and do is configure the hardware acceleration toggle properly. So if your game is lagging while streaming, turn hardware acceleration off. If your stream is lagging, but the game is perfectly smooth, then turn hardware acceleration on. Now, this is going to prevent your CPU from choking on the video encode. So all I want to go ahead and do is go over to the area where it just has, hardware acceleration. And once you're in that section, all you want to do is go ahead and try and turn that off. And then from there, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.